Hi, today I would like to show you how I've made this 3D printed small suitcase. This is the first iteration of my idea to 3D print a small suitcase to store crayons inside, and I've decided to modify it because the hinges opens only 90 degrees, and what's more, you need screws to insert the hinges. I've decided to make the suitcase 100% made of plastic and to be 3D printable, so you don't need another parts. And this is my final design. As you can see, it opens fully. There are 3D printed insertable hinges, and also the handle is inserted via those two dovetailed sliders. And also I've improved the latch, so you just swipe it around like this, and it is also 3D printable. All the parts are really easy to print. All the files in the description below. So the parts you need to 3D print are those two small pins to hold the latch itself, the bottom part and the upper part, the handle with pins which are printed as one object, 8 those smaller hinge pins and 6 of those bigger hinged pins, and to connect the hinge you just insert the filament through the hinges here, and that's it. I'm really proud of this design. Also, as you can see here on my first iteration, there are some inserts inside, so you can store the crayons easily, but I've decided to not include this into the design, so you can just 3D print custom insert just for yourself. Just measure from here to here and from here to here and do whatever you like. Maybe you can also use some sponge or foam or something like that, so you can insert tools or other items inside and they won't rattle all around the suitcase. Yeah, this is it. I'm really pleased and happy how it turned out. The assembly should be pretty straightforward. You just need all the printed parts and CA glue. You need the latch with 2 pins, six bigger hinges and 8 smaller ones. Now it's just obviously the handle. This is all printed in one part. Now we can proceed to assemble. First, let me glue the handle. Just add a little bit of glue here and here. Inserted the flat side up. Now let's glue the bigger hinges part. Be sure to orient the hole upwards. Okay, now I can do the same with the smaller hinges, the same stuff. Add some glue and just slide them inside. Be sure to orient the holes upwards. And always make sure not to glue yourself, because CA glue is really great at gluing your skin together. Now we can glue the pin for the upper cover. You just glue the pin inside here. So now for the most tricky part, I guess, gluing the latch and the latch pin to the bottom case. I will just apply a small amount of glue to the tip of the pin. Hopefully it will be enough. And it won't glue everything, just the pin. Okay, so I'm applying the pressure to the pin and moving the latch back and forth. Okay, that looks good. Now I should be able to use the PLA. This is Fiberlogy Fibersilk. This is really great stuff. It prints easier than a PLA, I guess. The layer finish is really great. And it's really flexible, which is quite strange for PLA. But this one is really flexible. Okay, so let me just grab some. Now the truth. Okay, so the hinges are aligned. Now for the tricky part, is to insert the filament. So I've cut it so it's at the angle. Hopefully it will be easier to insert it. Okay, that's perfect. Don't like that. So far, so good. Maybe I should use PETG, but this should work also. Got it. Okay, so the PLA is all the way through. Let's just flash trim it. Add some glue. Just a little bit to secure it. It's pretty tight, so it should be fine. Okay, so the next part. Oh. This is kind of tricky. Okay, I think that's good enough. And it is ready. As always, all the files are in the description below. You can find my profile on Thingiverse, my mini factory and Prusa printers. And you can find the files there. Remember to watch my other videos right there. Also remember to subscribe, because you don't want to miss the 250 subscribers giveaway video, which will be, I hope, soon. And it all depends on you. So subscribe and wait for another cool videos. See you next time.